calm little day at the airport. So guys, I'm making this video just a little introduction to just let you guys know what I'm up to nowadays. So I have started flight school. I am in school to become an airline transport pilot. I would like to fly for an airline and eventually maybe branch off to flying corporate, such as private jets. And so look, this is just a video to say that no matter what you want to do outside of trading, you can do it. You know, trading doesn't require you to be active 24/7. Many of the times after you learn how the market flows and you learn the structure, it's just a psychology to it, and no pun intended, but everything afterwards is on autopilot, you know. And look, you're always gonna remain net positive no matter if you're a profitable trader or a non-profitable trader, because trading just builds these characteristics in yourself that not a lot of things in life can really teach you or really build for you. I mean, look, if you go to the gym, you learn how to push through endurance and push through just like workouts, you know, like you realize that, okay, you have to really put more of your mental into your workout and just push through all of the adversity that there is to it, a lot of the hardships that there is to working out, because many times you want to give up, but you know you can't give up because you have to keep pushing your muscles. You learn patience in the market. The market teaches you how to be patient, and if you're not patient, then well, you'll learn your lesson enough times to the point where eventually you'll start to become patient. It helps you deal with anxiety. Many times in life there's situations where you can become anxious, and the markets will will teach you how to just calm yourself down and deal with these anxious moments. The market will teach you how to go through rough times. Maybe you blew an account, or maybe you're in deep drawdown, and it lets you just take time to recollect yourself mentally and even physically and come back even stronger. How to erase fears, how to erase greed. All these things in life are important to whatever that you plan to do. Whether you want to be an engineer, a lawyer, maybe a doctor, maybe you want to write stories or have your own business, do real estate. Any facet in life, all these fundamentals from trading is going to help you immensely. So don't think just because you're not making money that trading isn't helping you in some type of way. A lot of it is very psychological, and I believe that no matter what, we're all learning how to deal with ourselves even better from being a trader, and for that reason I believe that we're all going to be net positive. Now I am here in Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport. Shout out to anybody in Fort Lauderdale. This is the airport that I train out of, and I'm currently waiting for my plane to get back. I fly the Cessna 172 Skyhawk. So I just thought I'd maybe shoot this little video while I wait for my plane to get back. Yeah, so I'm currently working on my private pilot license, and I should be done in a couple months, and then from there I'll go for my instrument rating, then my commercial pilot license, and then go on to learning and getting my multi-engine rating. After those steps, I can start building my hours, get a job in the get a job in the aviation industry, flying some type of maybe charter flights, some small business aircrafts or airplanes, and then eventually move on to the airlines. And look, when I go onto my plane, before I even go on the plane, I have to go through a whole checklist. And trading has told me and taught me that you have to have some type of rules and structure before you go ahead and set flight for maybe your trade, or even set flight in the aircraft. It's very important to go through a whole checklist to make sure everything is safe on the plane, and even when I'm in the air. So a lot of the discipline that I have gained from trading helps me immensely in aviation. And aviation is very, very strict on discipline. Everything has to be done pretty much correct. You know, there's absolutely no room for error in the cockpit. You know, just imagine how sloppy many times that traders can be, just trading in the markets, just breaking rules. I can't do that flying an airplane. Breaking rules, I don't even want to think about. I follow the rules to the T. So again, if you want to be maybe like a doctor, surgeon, just think about all the rules that you have to follow, all the discipline that goes into it. Lawyers, having to be patient and all the readings that you have to do. Engineers, same thing, the calculations, the measurements you have to be precise with. Maybe you're into fitness and you just know you have to push through all that, what do you call it? All those hardships, you know, because working out can be pretty intense sometimes. There's been many times where I get into the gym and I just want to give up, but I know if I give up, I'm not going to gain any strength. I'm not going to look better. I'm not going to get bigger. So I got to keep going, no matter how my body might feel. I mean, eventually, you know, after you worked out and you finish your plan, you're good to go. But just hopping in and wanting to give up right away is not a go. So I did take this leap of faith from coming across this one YouTuber channel. He's also from Florida. His name is Captain Ethan. He is a pilot. He's got his private pilot license and he's currently working on his instrument rating. If anybody like me is into aviation, I'm gonna go ahead and drop his link to his YouTube channel down below in the description. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you later. Peace out.